Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Lukman Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Today I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic is Chapter 4, Agriculture and Climate. Our today's lesson is lesson 4 and 5. At the end of the class, we will have an HW for you. So keep watching at the end of today's class. Let's start to see our today's class. Okay, here first of all you can see in lesson 4 it has been discussed about agro-ecological zone based on soil, water and climate. It has been discussed about agro-ecological zone based on soil, water and climate. Basically soil, water and climate differ in different regions of Bangladesh. And for this variation, special kind of crop grows in a special area. And on the basis of this variation, agro-ecological zone has been divided into 30 areas. Let's see the 30 areas. Soil, water and climate differ in different regions in Bangladesh. For this variation, one particular types of crop grows well in one special area. Bangladesh is divided into 30 agro-ecological zones on the basis of soil, water and climate. The names of 30 agro-ecological zones are given below. Number 1, Old Himalayan Pediment plain land area, active Tista flooded or inundated land area, Tista Mendar flooded area, Korotwa Bengali flooded land area, Lower Atrai basin area, Lower Punarva flooded land area, active Brahmaputra and Jamuna flooded land area, young Brahmaputra and Jamuna flooded land area, old Brahmaputra flooded land area, active Ganges flooded land area, high Ganges river flooded land area, low Ganges river flooded land area. 13 number, Ganges tidal flooded. 14 number, Bill areas of Gopalganj, Khulna. 15, Arial Bill area. 16, Middle Magna river flooded land area. Number 17, Lower Magna river flooded land area. 18, Young Magna estuarine flooded land area. 19, Old Magna estuarine flooded land area. In 20, Eastern Surma Kushiara flooded land area. 21, Sylhet basin area. 22, Northern and Eastern Pediment plain areas. In 23, Chittagong coastal plain areas. 24, Saint Martin's Coral Island area. 25, Plain Barint tract. 26, High Borendro area. 27, Northeastern Barint tract. 28, Madhupur area tract and Northern and Eastern hilly area. And the last one is Akhaura Terak. So these are 30 agro-ecological zone which is based on soil, water and climate. This classification has been divided on the basis of soil, culture, water and climate. Next, go to next lesson. In this lesson, it has been discussed about flood, different types of flood and drought. We know that every year different types of flood visits in Bangladesh. Basically, flood is a water created natural calamity. We can see in our Bangladesh there are 4 types of flood. One is flash or sudden flood. Number 2 is flood which is caused by rain. Number 3, river-borne flood. And the last one is flood caused by sea coastal or heavy storms. So these are natural calamity which visit in Bangladesh every year, and the farmer of our Bangladesh face this natural calamity every year. Okay, let's see some pictures of natural calamity. These are the flood scene of Bangladesh. You can see here our natural crops has been damaged by flood. Here you can see our roadside has gone under water by flood, and you can see is a sudden flood caused by rain. These are the natural calamity. Okay, now let's start. Lesson 5. Four kinds of floods are seen in Bangladesh, such as flash or sudden flood. This sort of flood is seen in the northern and the eastern hilly basins in Bangladesh. This flood is caused in the months of April and May. This type of flood is caused in the months of April and May. Okay, number 2, flood caused by rain. Flood caused by rain, you can see here, this is flood caused by rain. This flood is seen when the low-lying areas of the country are submerged due to heavy downpour. This sort of flood is seen in the northern, western and mid areas of the country. Number 3, river-borne flood. When heavy rainfall continues in the upstream regions, the water flows to the Bay of Bengal from all over the country. As a result, flood occurs in the central portions, namely the basins of Padma, Meghna and the Brahmaputra. Number 4, flood caused by coastal storms and cyclones. Cyclone occurs when a violent depression is created in the Bay of Bengal. A wind storm is accompanied with a tidal surge in coastal areas. The salty water of the sea rushes towards coastal areas of a great speed, standing high and causes floods. Okay, we have discussed about now floods. So we face every year, there are 4 types of floods. In chapter 5 it has been discussed. Now the rest one is another natural calamity is caused in every year in our Bangladesh, and which has a great effect on our agriculture input. Okay, let's see, have a picture. This is a picture of drought. Can you see? This is a picture of drought, another natural calamity. For this drought, we have a great effect on our natural and our crops, agricultural crops. It has happened in our dry season. It has happened due to discontinuously of rain. If doesn't rain more than 20 or 25 days, then it happen. Okay, let's see. Drought, if rainfall doesn't occur continuously for 20 days or more than that in dry season, this condition is drought. Due to drought, there is deficiency of moisture in the soil for crops, so that crop yield may decrease 15 to 90%. So due to this drought, crop may decrease 15 to 90%. Okay. The most drought-prone areas in Bangladesh are Rajshahi, Chapainababganj, Nauga, Dinajpur, Bogura, Kustia and Jashore. So we have learned that in our Bangladesh, the most drought-prone areas are Rajshahi, Chapainababganj, Bogura, Kustia and Dinajpur. So this is all about our today's lesson. In our previous class, we have finished our lesson 1 to 3, and today's class we have done lesson 4 and 5. So in this time, I will provide some HW for you. Now give a pause in your video and write down this HW in your HW copy and submit this HW next Sunday. On the basis of this HW, it depends on your SBA, city and diary marks. So please submit this HW next Sunday. Okay, write down this HW. First question is, what is weather? This is knowledge based questions. Try to write answer within 1 or 2 sentences. What is weather? Number 2, what is climate? Number 3, which are greenhouse gases? Number 4, what is the nature of climate of Bangladesh? And the last one is, what does CFC stand for? These 5 sentences which carry only 1 mark, and these are the knowledge based question. So practice at home and take your textbook, read a lot, stay at home, don't go outside, avoid by your parents. See you soon with next class. Allah Hafiz.